Hi there, grade 5. This is your last tutorial from me for this assignment. So I'm going to quickly show you now the few steps I want you to do before you completely 100% finish. So what I need everybody to do is I need everybody to choose the same font. Now I know that sounds a bit restricting, but there's different ways that you can use it. And because we're going to be all part of the same exhibition, we're all going to show our artwork in the same place, we need it to be have some elements that look similar, okay, so it looks really nice. So up here you'll see here that my original font I chose was Futura Bold because that's the same font that the artist Barbara Kruger used, that we're using as an artist's influence. But I believe your computers don't have Futura Bold, so I'm going to need you to choose something from the Helvetica family. Now see here, when the Helvetica family is really big, so you've got some options here between, condensed bold, bold, oblique, and things like that. So I'm just going to go for, where are we here? I can see it's changing at the bottom. I'm going to go for which one was it? Oh yeah, I'll just go for straight Helvetica Bold. And then you'll see it's kind of changed the alignment a bit, so I have to just move that back into the middle. Okay, so you can see I've changed that one and I've changed that one, but I just need to change these ones. But you don't want to watch me do that because that'll take too much time, so I'll show you what you need to do next. So after you've changed all the fonts to something from the Helvetica family, you need to save it in the right format for me and Miss Trin to be able to print for you. So I want you to go to File, Save As, and I want you to name it with your first and last name, and in big capital letters, Final on the end. That's going to make it much easier because remember, it's not just your class that I'm printing the other grade 5 classes as well. So that's 80 photographs, 80 plus. So then I want you to go down and somewhere you should be able to change the format on your PC. So go down to JPEG, otherwise known as a JPEG, and click on that. And then when you click Save, it should come up with another option box that asks you about the quality of the photo. Just make sure it's up to maximum. 12, 10, 11 should be fine. And then, so this photo is a 4 megabyte size photo, which is totally fine for the size we're printing them. We're going to be printing them A3, so 4 megabytes will be just fine. So then go OK. Now, once you've saved that, I want you to drag that photo, that final photo, remember the folder that you picked your original photograph from. I want you to drop it in that folder. Now you'll find the link on your feed on your art class. I'm using 5A as an example. Thank you, 5A. So make sure you click on here, which will take you to this one. Drop it in there, and then can you just tell me when you are done? That would be wonderful, because I'm hoping to get these printed very soon. Thank you for all your hard work, grade 5. These are going to be beautiful.